It's so boring. I don't even know what video to make.
Yo, what's up?
Look who it is. It's no other than Zago Blizzard himself.
What? Did I do something wrong?
Well, no, you didn't do anything wrong. It's just because I don't even know what video to make. I'm just bored. I just want to play a game. I can't even get that much views. My videos are not even getting views. I don't know why.
Well, why not make another tutorial video that got you 46k views like this one? Maybe it will help. Maybe you can be confident because you got a high viewed video.
But I don't think that's gonna happen again. I mean, nobody's even watching my videos. They just subscribe for me for nothing. The others, they don't even watch it. Unlike the others. It's just I don't even know if I'm gonna get enough subscribers like I want in the future. Not very sure about it. But I guess maybe I should. Well, I know! But here's the deal. If this video didn't get 100 plus views within 24 hours, then I'm not gonna allow you to play Pixelgun 3D the next day. Not gonna allow you to make part 2 of your video. I'll only allow you to make it the next 2 days.
Deal. But first, take this.
Yo, what is up guys, it's the real Davidson and here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to 5-cat spam unless you already know. So if you ever want to know what 5-cat spam is, it's actually switching weapons to weapons after shooting them like this. Just like that, and then, yeah. So in this gameplay, I would actually be using the Devastator because my Undertaker isn't really that fully upgraded. Yeah. And then for the sniper section, I'm just gonna stay with the anti-hero. And the heavy is gonna be the circus cannon. So yeah, 5-cat spamming is literally not that hard enough. It's actually a little basic though. Anybody can do it, even you, if you don't know. So first of all, we're gonna go on a match, and the match we're gonna go to Arabian Dust. So it's very simple actually. All you gotta do is this. So the first thing you gotta do is you have to at least go you can use any gun you want in it's the first one, then hold it like this, and then you have to hold the fire button, then switch into the weapon you want to use. Like that. Keep on holding the fire button, switch, then switch again until you have to switch after firing, or else it'll be stupid. Yeah, I have to hold it. So I'm not really getting any kills, and I don't know why. Yeah, our team is totally winning right now, and yeah, I even got killed by this guy. So I'm gonna try to get some kills with it. 5-cat spam, including the circus cannon, devastator. If you have the ultimatum, then it's going to be good. You can actually do the 5-cat spam correctly with the ultimatum, but yeah. As you can see, I wasn't able to kill him quick with the devastator. It's not really that one shot. But the circus cannon is, because it's just like a big buddy though. If you have the big buddy, then it's fine. You don't have to go for the circus cannon. But when I play the game, I actually use the Dark Mage wand because it instantly hits your enemy when you use the shoot, and you don't have to wait for it to hit the enemy itself. And I just killed myself over there. See that? Circus cannon is just very OP, and it's just like the big buddy, because the first one is the big buddy. If you don't know, it's basically like that. So I'm gonna use the invisibility and the spell bracelet, and then the what is that again? The damage reflector. So yeah, I'm not really getting enough kills. So this was basically what you're gonna do about the aiming. So while you're switching, right before the gun even shoots, you have to aim at your enemy like this. So example is like this, and you have to switch, and then like that. See, I was aiming while trying to wait for it to be over, and I got killed with the devastator, and basically is just on low health. Not really good at the gameplay. So I'm gonna make the next video I'm gonna make is how to be a pro in Pixel Gun 3D. So I'm also gonna play this twice in the what map shit. Just gonna stay with the Arabian Dust this whole video. With that, guys, said GG. You see that? Got 13 kills with that, but I'm gonna try to drop to 20 plus kills if I can. But if I didn't, I'm just gonna whatever. So yeah, 5-cat spamming is totally simple. So you guys already know about the 3-cat spam and then what about the 5-cat spam? It's actually helpful. So that share it notification pop up exposing that I'm actually Filipino, but everybody should know that. Just like that, you can actually win with this. So people are saying that this is noob, the noob playstyle, but it's actually for pros. So yeah, I just got trapped. Just got trapped by the racer. Someone over there. Just trying to kill me. I can only drop 2 high kills. So I'm just trying my best. Now I can't move. So if you're wondering why is my name Kirin Lord, then it's totally bored. Even I changed my name into a couple weird things. Lunatic, Kaparing Puyat, yeah, Luna. Not really getting enough kills for this. I'm doing so bad, so it's kinda really embarrassing by the way. I only got wait, I'm first. 4 kills. They're fighting each other with a samurai. Starting to lag because there's too much projectiles or something. Yeah, he wasn't able to see that coming. So it's really easy. So if you keep on practicing and practicing with a 5-cat spam, you're actually gonna get it. You just don't know. You're gonna be like Esoteric Ink. I'm just trying to be a pro or try hard or something, because I really want to compete against oh my god, really want to compete against high skilled players, but then I'm starting to lag and then I can't aim anymore. I'm only playing on a Samsung J2 Prime, that's why it's so laggy. And soon I'm actually gonna get a computer and then play some other games that are in the trending games, like whatever, the Red Dead Redemption or something like. So yeah, Red Dead Redemption is also the picture of the Pixel Gun 3D, the new one. It's like a copy. So compared with the original Red Dead Redemption 2 and then compared to Pixel Gun 3D right now, it's actually the same. I kind of noticed that. So yeah, I'm recording this live. Sorry if I was talking about the same topic over and over. If I was. So I was not able to drop to 20 plus kills, so I was just trying my best for this gameplay. I can't really get enough kills with the Devastator, but it's not really that good. Ultimatum is great. Right. This is a bad light. This got ruined. So I was not able to do it. But at least I actually made the gameplay, right? Like if you agree. Yeah. 11 kills, this is worse. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please be sure to drop a like on this video, share this video with your friends on social media, and also don't forget to comment because I want to see your reaction. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I really want subscribers. Anyways guys, peace.